Seventh graders, it's time to really learn how to perform extensions. Extensions are ways in which you play notes that are in different places on your instrument, but in the same position. Take a look at this chart. Cellos and violas are going to kind of focus over here today, and basses and violins you can focus here. When we are putting our first finger down on the C and G string, in order to reach the note here, or it's lower by a half step, we are going to use the same finger and extend it back. Then, when we get to our next note, we are going to use the same finger, violin, viola, and cello only, to play that plays E or B. We're going to extend that back and use the same finger to play E flat or B flat. It's really important to know that you can use your fingers to perform multiple notes. And finally, these two notes are beyond the finger tape between, for violins and violas, the third and fourth finger tape. And for cellos, you're reaching past that fourth finger tape you normally use. In today's assignment that we're working on, we're actually going to be focusing on this extension. So I'm going to do some erasing here. We aren't going to be worried about this particular note in this particular area. We're also not going to be working with this note. We will be working with this note, so whatever finger you use, that's what you use here. But we're not going to be working with these two notes. We take that away, and now we can see that we have to extend this note up. Fourth finger for cellos, you're going to have to reach past your finger tape. And violas and violins, you're going to have to reach, and it's going to be halfway between your third and fourth finger tape. Hopefully this helps you identify where to place your fingers on the string. Let's go on and let's play some of our Essential Elements book songs, starting with number 48. Violins and violas, so number 48 has this extended position. So when we set our finger, I'm using a violin today, but imagine I'm on the G string for you too as well, violas. So you're setting two fingers down on the G string, and you're going to extend the ring finger up to be halfway between the third and fourth finger tape, just like that. You're going to leave it there, and remember, once a sharp's been placed in the measure, it remains in the measure. So continuously play C sharp. Let's go ahead and play this song. 1, 2, ready, 48. So you can see, I really am extending that ring finger. Now go to 49. This is still the exact same placement of the fingers, and make sure you extend. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. Extend. Fourth finger right next to it. Sorry about that big snark there. Let's go to Pierrot's Door with the repeat. Exact same finger placement. 1, 2, ready, and play. Reach up, extend. 2, 3, lift. Stretch your finger out, stretch it out. Very good. Let's go to hot cross buns, starting on the extended finger. 1, 2, ready, and go. Set them all down. All right, so extending your fingers is super important. Let's go now to number 52. So 52 is the same exact placement. Remember, we want to be, though, up on the D string this time, and I didn't show that to you on the board. So normally G is here, or here for you violists. You're going to extend up halfway between the third and fourth finger tape. Let's go ahead and play 52. 1, 2, ready, go. Reach up. I like the name of this next one, 53, reaching out, because that's what you got to do, folks. Here we go, 53. 1, 2, ready, go. Reach. Fourth finger right next to that. Number 54. Now here, just make sure you're reaching up and reaching all the way. Get way up there. 1, 2, ready, and play. Extension. Finger tape F sharp. Fourth finger. Extension. Sorry, I made a little mistake. I make more mistakes than I would like to admit. All right, let's now do the A major scale, number 55. This scale has 3 sharps in it. If you're looking at your key signature, there's an F sharp, a C sharp, and a G sharp. Let's start on our first finger A on the G string and work our way up to the fourth finger A on the D string and back down with our third finger extended, everybody. Here we go. 1, 2, 55. 1, 2, extension. Higher is better. Get it up there. Here we go. Reach. Back down. Extension. Now when I do an extended fourth finger, I almost always use my extended third finger. I almost always use my fourth finger to assist instead of playing the open strings, just an FYI. Finally, number 56, A Song for Anne. Once again, it is in A major, 3 sharps. All those extensions have to be present. Let's give it a roll. 1, 2, 56, here we go. Sharp extension, fourth finger. Extension. Pull, extend. Extension. Go ahead and rewind and practice all these again to make sure you're really extending, reaching, going higher, whatever you need to say in your mind to get there. This is a really important thing to learn, and you will need it to continue to advance on your instrument. Bye.